Hello, Merry Christmas everybody. I finally got my beautiful DIY Christmas tree made of my last year's Christmas tree made of plants. So I have just decorated my lovely tree, and this one is made of devil's ivy, and it's growing beautifully. See, 1-year-old growth from last year's Christmas. I did have looking really amazing last year, but the moss didn't survive. And this one is Marble Queen Pothos. There we go. So let me just turn it around. I just added these tencels, the lovely cherries or whatever you call that, and then you got the candy cane. And let's just turn it around so you'll see the back. There we go. And this lovely red pot. And here's Marble Queen Pothos growing nicely. So this is real plants. Christmas tree. There we go. And I've also got neon pothos. You go down here. And some elephant bush. Some of the elephant bush they've added. Let's turn around some more. And this is at the back. There you go. That's not jade, elephant bush. This is Easter cactus. And some more of Marble Queen Pothos and neon pothos at the back. Now inside here is actually an actual soil and moss. The moss, these ones didn't survive very well because I should have probably covered it with plastic, then it would have survived. But there are some a little bit down the bottom. I just covered with decorative Christmas tinsel to make it look really nice. So this is the back. There you go, of my Christmas tree, DIY Christmas tree. So turn around some more. And nice and lush in this section. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? My plants are doing absolutely fantastic. See, look. So that's next year. Hopefully it'll be a little bit up here. So this is second year of my DIY Christmas tree. So there you go. Merry Christmas for sure. No need to buy a Christmas tree.